Our Jamaican product, yes. Look on the breadfruit. But this a breadfruit not look like a roast breadfruit. It look like a boiled breadfruit. Lord, get like a salt mackerel, yes. And cookie. Cook up your salt mackerel and have your boiled breadfruit. Lord, your stomach feel bad. Drink one thing now, or one ginger beer. Then look on guinea, a guinea time now. Lord, you bite the guinea, you take it out of the skin, and you can crack it up to, Lord, spice bun, slice it, and put piece of cheese in the middle. Lord, not to mention your crackers, your water crackers. You can have your water crackers, drink your cup of tea, your porridge, and you dip it and you heat and you drink, Lord Jesus. Nothing like with Jamaican product, Me I go have one thing right now. Me talk to you here later. All right? Me see you later, man. Thanks for